Hello, I just wanted to announce that on the coming Sunday, the 7th of June, I'm doing a small online NLP workshop about the S.C.O.R.E model. The S.C.O.R.E model, developed by Robert Dilts and Todd Epstein, is a very smart approach of problem solving. Typically, we move from problem space to solution space. But if we define the problem into the symptom and its previous causes, and the solution space into outcomes and its longer term effects, and we put that on a timeline, then we have a more holistic, a more general view on the space. And we can observe that from outside, from meta position. And from observing that, we can add resources into it. And that's really much what systemic NLP is about. We can use approaches and methodology to widen our awareness and enrich our subjective experience. I hope this doesn't sound all too complicated. I'm helping to visualize that, I'm helping to experience that. If you're curious to this technique that can be for any project, for any problem, join me on Sunday. It's fun to work alongside on that. It's fun to share and to enrich our experience, and that's why I want to gift it out to you, and I want to help you to have better ways and better outcomes and better choices. So in that regard, looking forward to see you on Sunday for the online workshop S.C.O.R.E model, problem solving and beyond.